All of us know that government has given permission for Sumul Dairy to collect milk in 4 talukas in Goa. In this matter, rumors have been spread that Goa Dairy will finish, farmer will be in loss. Farmers have no fear in their mind by the entry of Sumul. In fact, they are happy that they will get another option to deal with. Second, dairy farmers in Goa are not getting good quality of cattle feed. So, Sumul Dairy can provide B1 type of cattle feed which has been proven and tested by various farmers on trial basis. Farmers will have two options and there can be healthy and fair competition between Goa Dairy and Sumul. Government has neither cancelled permission of Goa Dairy nor it has forced farmers to sell milk to Sumul. So no need to shout unnecessarily. Monopoly is always dangerous to the cooperative sector, and so dual option will always be in the interest of the farmers. If farmers feel that service given by Goa Dairy, cattle feed supplied and the rates given to the milk sold by the farmers are really attractive, then they will never move to second option. Goa Dairy management will get an opportunity to think on what made farmers to have an alternate dairy in Goa and rectify the faults if any. If Goa Dairy claims that it has a strong and farmer friendly base in Goa, then they need not worry with the entry of one or more than one dairies in Goa. In short, let the farmers try both the options and decide what they deserve and what they want. Farmers from Bicholim, Fonda, Pernem and Salset Taluka also want to have second option available for them at the earliest. गोवा डेअरी लागू केला आहे जाताच न्ही प्रश्नच येना 6 पीक लागूनच जाता आता हेजे पयलीं तांकां सांगून जाला न्ही सगळे हेजे पयलीं 6 पेचेर सुद्दां उलोवन जाला पूण इम्प्लिमेंट केल्या नंतर फाटीं येवपाक कितें म्हणून करतले मागीर वर्करांक दिसता की हे आमच्या पोटार येता म्हणून आता घेतलेल्या वर्करांक जर कमी कर म्हटलें जाल्यार ते वर्कर परत बोवाळ घालतले की हांकां आमचें पोट चलता तें पळोवन नजो म्हणटा पूण आमकां दुखता की म्हाजे स्वताचे म्हाका वर्साक जवळ जवळ 40-50 हजार लिटर दूध घालून म्हाका 19,000 रुपया बोनस जेन्ना मेळटा तो म्हाज्या एका म्हयन्याच्या वर्कराचो पेमेंट सुद्दां जायना तेन्ना म्हाका दुखता हांव सकाळी 4 उठ्ठा म्हाज्या संवसाराक लागून उठना की गोवा डेअरीच्या वर्कराच्या संवसाराक लागून उठ्ठा अशें म्हाका स्वताक दिसता अशेंच प्रत्येक फार्मरांक दिसता 2-2 लाख रुपया जेन्ना वर्साक आमकां लॉस जाता आमी कॅल्क्युलेट करता हे म्हाका इतले मेळपाक जाय आशिल्ले पूण इतलेच मेळ्ळे तेन्ना हो विचार येता मनांत